In problem 3, we will use our negative exponent rules to rewrite our expressions with positive exponents. We will then evaluate the expression by plugging in a value for the variable. So part A, our negative exponent of 5 belongs to the t. So let's go ahead and rewrite that here. T to the power of negative 5. And we will take the t to the power of negative 5 and make it a positive exponent. So recall you drop that down into the denominator to make it a positive 5. And we use a 1 on top as a placeholder. So next, we're going to replace our value of t with the number 2. Now, I always suggest replace the variable, in this case the t, with the set of parentheses, and then we'll plug in our value. So what are we plugging in for t? We are plugging in this 2. So let's replace that with the 2, and now we can expand to determine our final answer. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, a total of 5 2's, and when you finish multiplying those out, you should get 32. So we get 1 over 32. Similarly, in the second part, part B, we have an exponent of negative 3. So here, let's go ahead and rewrite this. 1 over r to the power of negative 3. And we want to rewrite this so that the exponent is positive. So we bring this up into the numerator, so the top. That becomes r to the power of positive 3. Now let's go ahead and rewrite this, replacing the variable r with parentheses. And this time we are plugging in the value of negative 3, where we had the parentheses. So this means negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3, which negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, times the last negative 3 is negative 27. Lastly, notice that the negative exponent 2 belongs only to the a. So let's go ahead and rewrite this as 3 a to the negative second power b. So the only part that is moving is the a to the negative second power. We keep 3b on top, bring down a to the second power, so we make it positive now. And let's go ahead and start rewriting this, replacing our variables with parentheses. And now we can plug in our values. So the value of b is 8, so we write an 8 in this set of parentheses. The value of a is 2, so we write a 2 in this parenthesis. Now let's go ahead and simplify this. So this, recall this means 3 times 8, okay? And 2 to the power of 2 is 2 times 2. So 3 times 8 is equal to 24. 2 times 2 is 4. We can now divide 24 divided by 4, which is 6.